Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because QuickShare uses both. This establishes the connection layer. Once done, unlock your phone and open the file you want to send, then tap Share and pick QuickShare or Nearby Share. Make sure to wake the other device and show the QuickShare prompt. You do this now so devices can discover each other quickly. Immediate proximity speeds pairing and reduces interference, which is why we avoid extra network steps first. You now select the visible receiver from the QuickShare list. Look for the contact or device name that matches. Once selected, QuickShare may prompt you to set visibility. Choose contacts for privacy or everyone for convenience. Make sure to match the receiver's setting. Tap Send, then watch for the incoming confirmation prompt on the other phone and accept it. This two-step confirm prevents accidental transfers and verifies your sending to the intended device, you finish by monitoring the progress indicator until it reaches 100%, then open the file to verify integrity. Once done, QuickShare usually saves to the Downloads or Gallery app depending on file type. Make sure to check that folder. If transfer fails, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both phones and retry immediately. Sometimes a quick reconnect clears discovery glitches. For persistent failures, confirm the receiver has enough storage and that the file size doesn't exceed app limits before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.